everyone. Today, good morning to me. Today I thought I'd take you through kind of my Sunday or Saturday, my weekend routine, and what I would do on a weekend to kind of reset things during the week and then also to move forward into the following week. Now, two things that I do want to mention is that I did change my binder cover, and one is this one that I received. I purchased this Moterm. It is my absolute first Moterm in the rings. So I really like this. And the Veg Tan, I think, Luxe 2.0. And then this is the other one that I received. So I purchased two. One is the black one, and then the other one is the camel. I really like the camel as well, but I think my first choice would be the black one. In fact, I wouldn't have minded if I just purchased this one instead of both. But here we are, we have two, and now I have options. So in case I want to swap out my covers for another time, I have this Moterm cover and the camel. And then, but for the time being, I'm going to be using the black one. Right now, I have a bunch of credit cards lined up in here, in the front and in the back here. And that is because I have in my purse, let me show you. This is what I am using in my purse. And this is the Gillio Compagnia Pocket XL. So I am using this guy. I have like cash flying out, receipts everywhere, which I will have to clean up. I only can fit like a couple of credit cards that I actively use. So I have that, and then I think I have some credit cards in here. And then the rest that I am not actively using this month are just all kind of stored everywhere. So that way I don't lose it. And when I have it, if I need it. So that's where that is. Then I kind of set this up. I like this second pen loop. So now I can finally have these two. However, in the weekend, I do need a couple of other colors of highlighter. So that's why I have that. But I love this and I don't. It's a love and hate relationship between her and I. This is just getting really chunky because of this. So I don't know if I might remove this one day, but that's not like me. I like to keep things together, but we'll see. The first thing I do is I take my time and really look at the school stuff. So it's this week we're talking about, and we have a couple things happening. Like he start school this week with Eric. I have nothing's happening in Eric's life. Summer break, independence, summer session 2 begins. Fall session 1 begins on the 5th. Wow, it's good to know. So I just update. And how are you, Vicky? 잘 잤어? Okay.
I'm so late because I was doing Helenistique furniture.
Okay, and?
So we have violin at what time? 3.
3. I'm being like 3 years in the same small campus, and I still didn't know my way around the campus, and it's okay. At least I know where the orchestra building is. I might have even already forgotten, to be honest.
And then, okay, so I got violin. Oh, Eric. That. I didn't do that. Did that. Didn't do that. And then, let's see, my steps. Then I've got journaling and all that. This thing, so chasing that